We're caught in a trap. I can't walk out because I love you too much, baby.
I would like to introduce you all to Ellen, Alfonso, Sam, Ginger, and Elvis. These are my little birdies. They were born about 3 days ago, and I've got to shoot this very, very quick because Mama Bird has been hogging baby birds and won't let me come out here and do this. So these are all of my new birdies. I had 6 eggs. Whoa, now I have 5 little baby birdies, and I want to do this so that I can kind of track where they're at, what they're doing, because everybody always asks, well, geez, they're hungry. You can see all of their little fuzzy parts. They're getting fuzzy, they're getting cuter. Meep, 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 meep. And they go meep, meep all day long. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's all of them. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Anyway, I want to track them, and we will have another vlog up tomorrow. I don't know if you can hear the little meep meeps. Hold on. But those are the babies, and hopefully Mommy Bird won't be such a big hog tomorrow, and we will be able to catch them doing some more things. So say bye, guys. Meep meep, meep meep. Bye, guys. Have a good day.